What's up, guys? Jeff Gabrus Landscaping. Hey, listen, you call me out. You want to know what I'm going to do to make your landscape look better. You just look at it and it doesn't look right. Why? What's wrong with my landscape? Well, listen, guys, when I go out and design landscapes, I do the same thing every time, everywhere I go. Okay? It's similar principles in every landscape. Not one is the same, but it's all the same principles. And I do the same, like 2 or 3 things. I start with a focal point, okay? The most interesting, coolest thing in the landscape is your focal point. You got to figure out where does that need to be at. Typically, it's going to be in the center. A lot of times it's inside that front door pathway. Some houses it's going to be on the corner, kind of serves as a multi-purpose, as an anchor, which is the second thing you need to be thinking about is what are you going to anchor? Okay, things need to be anchored. Anchors tell you where to go, tell your eyes where to start and stop when you're looking at something. So you want to anchor the house by framing it, 2 tall somethings on each side of the house. A lot of times you want to anchor the entryways, the front door, maybe the garage. Maybe use a smaller columnar for something like that. And then the last thing that you're going to want to do is just step back and look at your evergreen. Okay. What did you use for your focal point and for your anchors? How much evergreen do you have? Make sure that when winter comes around, what you're looking at is not just going to be a blank canvas of a bunch of dead sticks. You need to have something there to hold the place. So you balance out that evergreen. And then to finish off the landscape, you come back and you put in all your flowering bushes and plants and your perennials and all that stuff. And that's how you make a killer landscape. It's that simple. I mean, there's more to it. You got to know your plants. You got to know when the plants are blooming, what's going to live well on which sides of the house and in what areas regionally. You need to know the bloom times. If you want to get contrasting blooms, you got to look at your gravel colors and your border colors and contrast those and complement the house or contrast the house, depending on what works the best. But guys, if you want to design a landscape and you want to make it look good, that's how you do it.